decided to broadcast a special emergency alert. Urgent reports of conflict in the eastern region have been confirmed. The reasons behind this conflict has multiple factors. It is believed to be because of cultural and colonial division in different sections of the country and violence towards specific groups. Because of this, all citizens living in eastern Nigeria are required to take all safety precautions right now. Please stay indoors, be cautious, and follow official instructions. Avoid all acts of violence that may happen within your area. Stay tuned to both TV channels and radio stations for more news on this situation. Stay safe.